Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzel. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. Okay, so I've got some Amsterdam white with regular Floetrol and GAC 800 in it. And I want to use it to coat or put a layer down on my canvas in a certain landscape style sky. I've got some Oriental blue, that's probably first. I've also got some Frostbite, which I like the idea of. I think I'm going to risk some of the Cerulean Sea. I'm going to take a risk. Usually I would use something like Tuscan Sun or a yellow-orange mix, but I've got a Hansa yellow with Parrole orange in it. A little bit of frosted berry. I'm really tempted by some Tickled pink. That's really bright. What did I do with that yellow? There we go. It's right where it belongs. I've picked out a few colors I'd like to use, and I never seem to mind Decor Americana 24 karat gold. And I've got some triple sec Prizm pour. Some Fandango. Which I obviously am ready to mix some more of if I can. I'll leave that on its side so I can get more if I need to. I've got some Paynes Gray. Which is looking very dark. No idea what I'm doing. I'm making it up as I go along. I've got green tea, primary element. I'm going to use some cell activator with Australian Floetrol, and dioxazine purple, some Pebeo orange. I might be tempted to spread the paint beforehand with my largest silicone brush, just because I haven't really done that. I'm going to sneak in some weird stuff. Dancing fuchsia, for instance, just to see how I like it. I want to put some purple against the horizon. This is Baltic Amber. This was Baltic Amber, but I should have shaken it up. Fortunately, Q-tips are really handy. Could have sworn I shook that up. I think I pulled out either some deep amethyst. No, I think it was Midnight Shadow. Beginning to think I have enough paint, but I have some wintergreen. Oh, I also pulled out some quinacridone nickel gold, which is kind of similar to the Baltic Amber, actually. But I think I want to try it just to see. That snapping sound is my top breaking off, which is never a good thing. It's a slightly lighter color. I think I have plenty of paint there now, though. So I've got playing cards, but this is how I'm going to start. Which I may or may not regret. Looks like a lot of paint. But usually I have a scrape dish and I can use it to cover my bottom and my edges. I like how that dancing fuchsia looks. I just accidentally added some to the sky. So we're going to bring some of that right up into it. Because it looks really nice. Probably won't stay. I don't know why I'm fussing now, because I definitely need to put some cell activator in here. I should have flipped my silicone mat over if I didn't want my project to be ruined. Alright, so that's kind of cool right like it is. I've got some playing cards. Let's see how the orange works. Not working very well. Let's try it. Whoa, flying paint. Let's try the purple, which almost always works for me. I've got some copper too. I meant to use some Royal Sapphire and I didn't. Purple always works. I've got green and copper too. The purple is Dioxazine Purple, is the Master's Touch. I still want some black. I've got a green that I made up of Atelier colors, but I'm not sure it's going to go here because there's an awful lot of green already. Cards are really good for covering the bottom edge. I want some trees in here tomorrow. I don't think I can do it now. Dancing Fuchsia makes good fields of flowers in the distance. I see I have an issue. Where's my spatula? Take a little bit of that color and embellish the mountains. Add some dimension. Works really well actually. It's pretty spectacular. I'll be covering my bottom edge for a while. I'm really liking all that. I don't know if I really want trees even. So for right now, this is good. I think I want to add some more height to my mountains though, before things become so gloppy that I can't. I like putting a little bluff over on the left hand end. I thought I would want more cell activator, but I really don't. I do want to cover that bottom edge though if I can. At least the curved part. Alright, I'm loving that. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel, And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions, it will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.